I would contend, in my experience, that yes, I want my people taking risks. Do I want them to be calculated risks? Yes. Do I want them to be well-supported risks? Yes. But I need them to take risk. And the example that I will give you is that the quality that we produced yesterday or last month or last year isn't going to be acceptable quality tomorrow, next week, next year. And so if people don't take risk to continuously improve our process, we're going to fall behind. And there will be somebody else who will make that part, who will make that product for our customer. And so risk to me is that willingness to try something that may not work perfectly the first time, but know that you will be supported so that, if you get 60% of the way there, you're not criticized for that other 40%. You're recognized for the 60% that you achieved and supported to get that other 40% accomplished. And so I think that risk is actually critical to business success, and that without it, businesses stagnate and you get the Xeroxes and the Kodaks and people like that we're all familiar with.